Live Lingua episode 3-4, Professions in Spanish. Let's start by learning some basic professions in Spanish. Of course, this is not an exhaustive list, and you may have to look up how to say your profession online somewhere. Some are actually pretty complicated. For example, I have to say ingeniero de sistemas, which never seems to come out right. But let's keep things simple for now. Repeat the following. Keep in mind that for now we are giving masculine forms to all the professions. We'll explain how to make the relevant professions feminine in the next episode. Some professions do not have a masculine or feminine version. We'll explain that later. Let's get started. Empecemos.
Maestro,
Teacher.
Doctor,
Doctor.
abogado,
Lawyer.
vendedor,
Salesperson.
enfermero,
Nurse.
mesero,
Waiter.
gerente,
Manager. Hey everyone, I hope you all enjoyed this video and your Spanish is improving like mine. You can continue the Spanish course by clicking on the next episode, which is on your screen right now. If there's any topic you want me to cover in a future episode, please just leave a comment below. And finally, if you want to get additional free Spanish practice, get early access to all of our videos, and find your ideal Spanish tutor, just click on the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Hasta pronto.